Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and be sure to subscribe my channel and comment, like and share the video. So today we will know about the scientist. So who is the scientist? Scientist to understand more about natural phenomena and increases knowledge of nature, discover new knowledge and theories, and conduct research in a systemic manner. So scientists makes new things, like scientists develop new for example, a scientist develop new security software or give new idea in the market, and for working and or running it there is an engineer. And scientists are like Albert Einstein, so they work and they do not work and nothing in the detailed version of the things, but they seeks to understand more about the natural phenomena, and they learn from the nature, and they observe from that, and then they implement. And scientists they are working to understand the human brain, and they that how the neurons are working, and how and there is a field with neural network, and how emotions are created. So they work on the natural phenomena and increase their knowledge. For example, ants, so there is an ant colony algorithm, how they communicate, and how to each other, means how they communicate to each other. And from that scientists learn, and they for on that natural on their nature, they also develop that algorithm. And there are also many algorithms which are developed on their name and on their nature. And who is the engineer? So engineers solving tomorrow's problems today by applying science to uh, to the design and manufacture of a product, and require a 4-year degree. So engineers require a 4-year degree, and they solve the tomorrow's problem by today. So engineers learn to work on it, like working on AI algorithms is KNN based. But for now, suppose I am a researcher, and what I will do, I will find multiple other limitations. But engineers, they only follow the scientist, but they only follow the scientist, and scientists work on the better algorithm and to launch in a market. But what engineers do, they apply the knowledge and learn how currently it is working. Engineers develop a thing but which solve tomorrow's problem today. Like there is a bill. So if I want to pay the bill, what I will do, I have to go into the bank for transition. But now I can do it on my fingertips. I can download an app in my mobile, and I can do it by today. So it solves the tomorrow's problem by today. And now, what is the technicians? Technicians install repair and or maintain the product designed by the engineer and produced by the engineering technician, and they requires a 2-year degree. So they requires 2-year degree, and uh, means they have the diploma in to operate the things like in the lab engineer. He knows what in the DLD lab is required if he is performing practically. So then he knows which IC will be used and what will be the output of that IC. But technicians are also like this. But if a car doesn't work, and then he knows what is the problem, and then how it will it will be solved. And but on the other side, on the other hand, it will how it everything is working, that only knows the engineer, and they have to learn everything in the detail of everything. And now it's turned to engineering technician. So engineering technicians develop the process to make engineering products, focus on the applications, and they require 4-year degree. So they develop the process to make the engineer's product focus on the applications. And technicians helps the engineers so that they can make focus on particular application. They design that process. That technician says them that we have that problem, and solve that problem. So technicians come to engineers and they say to develop this application or that application. And technicians who knows on and off the of the computer. So how on and off of the computer, and any product, they have the knowledge of any product like hardware or software, how that can be open, and how install and repair that one. And technicians helps engineers or the engineering technicians to focus on the development. In the last comes the skilled trade persons. So what are the skilled trade persons? They have skilled like mechanic, so like electrician. So this in this technology term, and in this hierarchy they work. And now the disciplines of the engineering. So and these are the disciplines of the engineering is the mechanical engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, computer engineering and chemical engineering, civil engineering and aerospace engineering. So that's for today, and please be sure to subscribe my channel.